Good evening, everyone. Satellite radar shows the system that's been bringing us precipitation over the last 48 hours is finally starting to lift its way out of the Midwest. Actually, the center of that system, center of low pressure, is right over southern Illinois now. You can see that precipitation wrapping around it. We have rain on the eastern side, which is the warm side of the system, and then snow on the back side. That's where that cooler area is in place across parts of Iowa and Missouri. And this system is slowly going to be lifting its way across central Illinois through the overnight hours tonight. And with it, it's bringing another round of rain across much of central Illinois right now. You see that stretching right across central portions of the viewing area. We're already seeing some of that precipitation indicating as a changeover on satellite radar. We'll zoom in, take a closer look at that right along Highway 36 from Chrisman into Hume into Newman, then up into the Posotum area, and then also further off to the west and near the Bethany area in Moultrie County up into Cerro Gordo. Could be seeing some snowflakes already mixing in with our rain showers this evening. As we go into the overnight hours, we could see more in the way of snow showers through the overnight hours, but for right now, temperatures are still pretty warm across the southeastern half of the viewing area, especially 37 in Terre Haute, 38 in Paris. It's also 37 in Charleston. When you factor in the winds, it's feeling a little bit cooler out there, only feeling like 33 in Terre Haute, feeling like the freezing mark in Effingham, feeling like 27 over in Christian County. As we look at the winds right now, they're not too blustery yet. They're out of the southwest. As the system works through, they're going to be shifting and coming out of the west, and they're also going to be increasing. So you'll notice that as the system moves through, that the wind will once again pick up across the area. We started off the day with some fog across central Illinois, and it is redeveloping across the northwestern portions of our viewing area. Champaign visibility is down to 1/4 of a mile, 3/4 of a mile in Taylorville. Elsewhere, we're still seeing pretty good visibilities down to the south, but we're going to see that fog redeveloping this evening, so if you have any plans, be aware of that as it redevelops across portions of the viewing area this evening. Futurecast for tonight shows the batch of rain in place now. That's going to dissipate, so I think we'll catch some dry time as we go into the next few hours. But as you'll notice, just to the north here above the banner, you can see our next round of snow diving in from the northwest. That's primarily going to be affecting our northeastern communities, especially along the northeast of Interstate 74. That's where the heaviest of the snow is going to be overnight tonight. And you'll see, we could see that precipitation extend all the way down across a good chunk of the area, but some of that could be mixing in with rain too. So it's showing snow, but as those temperatures are going to be right around the freezing mark, some of this could still be falling as rain. Now, accumulation-wise, we're expecting most of the accumulations to stay off to the northeast, where the snow lingers into tomorrow morning. We could pick up another inch of snow north of Champaign and Danville. For the rest of us, not going to see much snow out of this system, and by the time we get into the afternoon hours tomorrow, most of the snow comes to an end, but we're holding on to the cloud cover across the remainder of the viewing area. And the further southwest you are, you may not see much out of this system as we go into the overnight hours. Your hometown highlight for tomorrow, we're highlighting Clark County tonight. You can see those temperatures going to be in the mid-30s for us tomorrow with that morning rain snow, leaving behind a cloudy and breezy day as we get into the afternoon hours on Saturday, with west winds gusting upwards of 25 miles an hour. So a little bit cooler than we've been used to as we get into tomorrow. Now for tomorrow night, holding on to that cloud cover, and that trend is going to continue through the remainder of the weekend. Could see a few patches of sunshine as we get into the day on Sunday, but overall we're going to see that cloudy trend continue into the start of next week as well. Monday, we're still holding on to that cloud cover across a good chunk of the Midwest. For tonight, we're down to 32 degrees with that patchy fog. Again, rain changing over to snow as those temperatures get near the freezing mark, with the winds picking up across the area. As we break down your day tomorrow, we'll see those temperatures climbing into the mid-30s. That rain-snow mix comes to an end in the morning, but we hold on to the cloud cover throughout the day. A little bit more in the way of sunshine on Sunday, and that's our best chance of sunshine as we go throughout the remainder of the week. Unfortunately, we're just looking at a cloudy trend, but temperatures do start to rebound up to near 40 on Sunday and then up to 40 on Tuesday before another chance of rain arrives on Wednesday.